So I'm working on a 67 C10. We're working on the front bumper. We already cut the sides and tucked them in to get it a little more streamlined to fit the body better. Now we're working on the middle, getting rid of where the license plate would be, and we're working on a styling Q air inlet that the customer was wanting on the front end. While I'm working on the front bumper, when I cut out where the license plate would go, I had to cut a fairly big square hole. Our inlet is going to have rounded corners. So to fix that, I am making a piece to fill in the rest of the square. So I'm going to take some cardboard and trace the radius of the bumper to match that. And then when I get my piece of sheet metal, I'll do some relief cuts just enough to get that radius to match and fill everything in nice and neat. So now that I have my piece made, I'm going to go ahead and cut the radius out that I want for the air inlet, and then we're going to tack it in place on the bumper and go from there. So I got the face all done, everything's tacked in, everything's looking good. Now we're going to go ahead and make the inlet itself. That way we get some depth out of it and it's not just a hole in the bumper. I got everything fitting, everything's looking good. I'm gonna have to do a little trimming on the back side just to clear stuff under the bumper. I'm gonna go ahead and weld it out, get it all ground up and looking good to head to the body shop. All right, so I got the bumper all ground down, everything's looking good. I fit it back to the truck. The sides are looking real nice. They tuck around and tuck into the body, where before they hung out there and kind of looked like wings hanging off the sides of the fenders. And then we got that air inlet in there and that thing's looking good. Gives it just that mean look when you're going down the road.
Thanks for coming to our YouTube page. If you like what you see, make sure to subscribe. If you want notifications, click on the bell. If you want to buy some cool merch, click on the info card, or you can click on the link in the bio.